Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Rogue versus Mitsubishi Outlander. We'll start by looking at their core performance. The Rogue often comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 201 horsepower, while the Outlander typically uses a 2.5-liter engine with 181 horsepower. Regarding efficiency, the Rogue can achieve up to 33 miles per gallon combined, whereas the Outlander averages around 27 miles per gallon. Both models provide choices for front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Moving inside, the Nissan Rogue typically offers 36.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, slightly more than the Mitsubishi Outlander's 33.5 cubic feet. Both SUVs prioritize comfort and technology, featuring intuitive infotainment systems with large touchscreen displays. You'll also find a suite of advanced driver assist and safety features available, designed to enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind on the road. When it comes to the driving experience, the Nissan Rogue is often praised for its smooth, comfortable ride and responsive handling, making it pleasant for daily commutes. The Mitsubishi Outlander provides a composed ride, especially with its available super all-wheel control system, offering confidence in various conditions. In terms of value, the Rogue often starts around $29,000, while the Outlander typically begins at about $29,500, and both offer competitive warranty coverage. So, which SUV is the better fit for you? The Nissan Rogue stands out with its impressive fuel efficiency and generous cargo space, making it ideal for families and those needing extra room. The Mitsubishi Outlander, on the other hand, offers a robust warranty and the unique advantage of available third-row seating, perfect for larger families or occasional extra passengers. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.